Hello everyone, finally we have reached the main part of our tutorial, that is integrating Android with Amazon Web Services. So till now let me show you. I have created nothing great but only a single main activity, that is an empty activity I have created, and nothing is done to the layout. So let's get started. I will explain each and everything from scratch. So let's have a recap of what you need to download. You need to download a Android SDK for Android. Okay, then the libraries that will be needed are these four libraries. Just copy it and then paste in the libs folder of your Android Studio. Okay, then right click on it, add as library. Okay, okay, the build has started. Let it build successfully. Once the build is completed, we will move forward. Okay, the build is successfully done. Okay, as you can see, now they are added to our project. After this, let us open the manifest file. I'll go into the Android mode. Nice. Manifest, Android manifest. This will, here we will be putting our internet permissions, as we will be working and using internet in our project, so we will add it later. Then come to your management console. Here click on services, go to Cognito, manage federated identities. Now we will create a new identity pool. Okay, give any name. I'll be naming it Shuklak YouTube. Enable access to unauthenticated identities. Don't forget to tick this section, it's very important. Create pool. Okay, so once it's asking you to, okay, just click allow. Nice. Now we will be having the main code to access Cognito is this, as you can see here, my cursor. Okay, so let's get back to Android Studio. Here we will be creating a Java class. Right click, Java class. I'll name it as manager class. Here everything related to Amazon Web Services will be included here in this class only, so we can easily access them. Okay, so this is my starter code. Here you should keep this identity pool ID private. I will just delete this once I finish the tutorial. Okay, so let's create a function. The credential provider. Okay, it will return this Cognito caching credential provider. Let us say get credentials. Okay, just for present, take here as a context. We will be needing it later in our tutorial. Okay, after that, come back here, just copy this code, copy it, come back to Android Studio, paste it, create application context. This is not possible, that's why we need to get the context, right? We'll tell context. Okay, come here, press F8, enter. It will directly import for you. Just return credential provider, that's it. We will be using this function in our projects later. Okay, we are done with this. Now what we need to do, yes, we need to add permissions, right? Because we will be using internet in our project. Uses permission internet, that's it. As it has been done for today. Okay, that's it for today. I'll be continuing in my next coming tutorial on this same project only. So I request you to complete it till here so we can be hands-on from the next tutorial. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much. We will meet in next tutorial. Thank you.